Okay, so I received a question. It says, "Hi Mike, I have a health and wellness retail shop. We sell high quality vitamins and hemp products to partners. We are in medical field, family nurse practitioner and RN. We need to do some marketing. Since recently, 3 other shops opened, more like smoke shops. How can we reach more customers and keep them coming? Our vitamins can, I think this is supposed to be can only be sold by can't be okay, so they can only be sold by someone with a medical license, essentially. All right, so I'm about to cover some content right now that is going to address Ramon's question. I'm gonna do a snippet on my TikTok, and then if you guys click the YouTube link in my bio, you guys will see a full breakdown of the strategy. And then Ramon, if you would like to work together, there'll be a link in the description of the YouTube video of how you can get in contact with us if you would like to get more assistance. All right. I hope you guys enjoy this action-packed free strategy of how to generate more leads if you are in a health and wellness retail shop. All right. Well, firstly, I'm going to take you through my 7-step process of how we're going to actually solve your problem. And then in the next then I'll actually introduce more of the background and like how we'll actually go about implementing the plan. So here's our 7-step process. The first thing that I would have us do is to set a quantifiable goal. That is to help us like measure, like put a number on exactly what it is that you're trying to accomplish. So let's say you want to net, I don't know, like 100K, 50K per month, but putting a quantifiable goal on what we're trying to achieve will make it more likely that we're going to achieve it. The second thing that I would have us do is to establish KPIs. Now, there are some general business KPIs like our customer lifetime value, customer acquisition costs, etc. There's also some specific marketing KPIs like our conversion rate, our leads to sales, et cetera, right? But then you probably also have within your own business, probably some of your own business KPIs within your industry. So what I would do is look into the health and wellness retail, in that space, and see what the most important KPIs for that industry are. And then also what the industry standards are. And then we would kind of see if we can measure our baseline, right? So we have a better understanding of like where we are versus on average, how our industry is doing, all right? In step 3, we're going to choose a marketing strategy or strategies. Now, in the second half of this, I'll give you a sample strategy that I've come up with. But in step 3, I'll let you choose from different strategies like SEO, local SEO, highly recommend. I'm going to go into that as part of your solution. You could have ambassador marketing, flyer distribution, paid ads, content strategies. Email marketing is probably going to be very, very important for a lot of your strategy and text message marketing, but we'll get into that during the marketing strategy. But so step 3 is going to be for us to like choose the marketing strategies that we're going to implement. All right. So in step 4, I'm going to design some marketing campaigns, right? So after we've chosen the strategies that we want to go with, and by the way, this is a 12-month marketing plan, right? I'm going to divide that up, and then I'm going to create some actual marketing campaigns for us, all right? And then in step 5, this is super duper important. We're going to design some BI, some business intelligence dashboards. That is going to help us to have a visual snapshot of how well we're performing, how well your business is doing, how well our marketing efforts are going. And it's better going to help us see which of our campaigns are working, which of our strategies are working, which of our products our customers prefer. Those BI dashboards are incredibly important. It's like having a health scorecard at your fingertips, okay? So after we design our BI dashboards and we kind of have a very easy and seamless way to track our progress, then we're actually going to launch the campaigns that we developed in step 4, okay? And after we launch those campaigns, what we're going to do is lastly, we're going to evaluate and iterate, right? So we're going to evaluate our efforts using our BI dashboards. We're going to see what worked and what needs improvement, and we're going to iterate our strategy. All right. So that's the first half. That's the high level of how we'll work together to accomplish your goals. In the next half, I'm actually going to go through in more detail some questions that I have for your business. And I'm actually going to give you a free strategy of how to go about generating more leads for your business. Okay. Make sure you guys stay tuned and make sure you guys check out the full video. All right. If you guys will see a snippet on my TikTok, if you guys want to see the full length video, be sure you click the link in my bio to the YouTube. Our YouTube channel will have something called Health and Wellness Retail Shop, free lead generation strategy. So you guys will see that on the YouTube where you guys can get the full series of this. And then if you guys would like to work together to help implement this strategy, there will be a link to where you guys can book a free demo. If you guys want me to post free content for you, to post a free marketing strategy for your industry or for your brand, all you got to do is to comment below, or you can send me a DM, ask me your question. You can also go online. I'll be screenshotting right now how you can go to our website and then just directly ask me for a marketing strategy. All right. So on my TikTok, on my social media, the only thing we'll be doing is posting free marketing strategy about how to generate more leads for your brand and for your industry. All right. Make sure you guys are following Money Mike 404. We will be posting content to address Ramon's question in our next post. All right. That's going to be posted within the next 24 hours. So make sure you guys are looking out for it.